Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to use single name on Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily use one name on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to just search for this particular VPN. Please, if you are using iOS, you can just log into your account on Android device, so that you can easily do this using Android, because it is quite easy to use it or to do that on Android. Now once you open your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for this particular VPN. So you can see over here, VPN lite. Now once you search for this VPN, you can see a lot of VPNs will pop up, but I recommend this one for you guys. So you can see, please, if you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. So just update this VPN. You can see it has more than 10 million plus download. Now once you have downloaded or updated this particular VPN, just go ahead and then open your VPN lite over here. So you can see this VPN, so just go ahead and then open it, and once you open this particular VPN, you can see quick connect. Click on quick connect, and once you click on quick connect, just wait as it is loading over here. So just wait for a while, and all you need to do is to scroll. Just keep scrolling, and you can see over here Indonesia. Now click on Indonesia, and once you click on Indonesia, you can see choose country. You can see Jakarta, but then I'll advise you to choose the second one, which is the ID one. So choose the Jakarta, the second one, and once you have selected that, you can see tap to connect. So click on connect, and you can see connecting, and now you can see connected successfully. So you can see connected. So now once you have connected to this VPN, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your Facebook. So just open your Facebook application. Now once you open your Facebook application, you can see menu over here. Click on your menu, and once you click on menu, but then before we start everything, before I proceed, let me show you my account over here. So you can see I'm using single name. So let me show you my profile over here, so that you know that this process really works. So you can check my profile over here. You can see my profile. I have single name on my profile over here. So you can see my profile over here. So you can see only freedom over here. So I'm using only one name, so you can see the freedom over here. So as you can see over here, you can see I'm using single name. So you can see Freeman over here. So I'm using single name on my Facebook profile. So if you also want to use this single name like mine, just follow all the process. So this is very simple. Just click on menu, once you click on menu over here, all you need to do is to just wait as it is loading, and then click on settings over here. So you can see settings. Click on settings. Now once you click on settings, it's gonna take you to this place, and you can see account center. So you can see more in account center. So click on see more in account center. You can see meter over here. So click on see more in account center. So just click on this option, and once you click on this option, it's going to take you to the next page. So now in this case, you can see your profiles over here. Click on your profile, and once you click on your profile, it's going to take you to the next step. So you select your profile over here, and once you click on that, just wait for it to load, and you can see your name over here. So you can see your name. So just click on your name over here, and you can see first name and then the last name. So your first name, you have to enter the single name you want to use, and then for the last name, delete what is there and then enter only space bar. So just enter only space bar, and once you enter space bar, click on review change, and that's it. So with this, you can create a Facebook account with a single name or one name. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video